Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer, where real listings meet timeless machines. Let's explore classic motorcycles for sale across the United States. Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide, Lawton, Oklahoma, $6,500. This 1977 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide represents the heart of classic American touring, powered by the legendary Shovelhead engine. With 26,000 miles on the odometer, this bike is a true rider, not just a display piece. Finished in bold red, it carries the unmistakable presence that made Electra Glides icons of long-distance cruising in the 1970s. The seller notes that it is running and driving, making it a solid foundation for either continued riding or a respectful restoration. While it does need some cosmetic and mechanical attention, the asking price reflects that honesty. For Harley enthusiasts looking for a genuine vintage touring platform with character, this is an authentic piece of American motorcycle history. Number 2. 1978 BMW R100/7, Crystal Lake, Illinois, $5,000. This 1978 BMW R100/7 stands out thanks to its extremely low mileage of just 6,700 miles, a rare find for a bike of this era. Finished in classic blue and kept garage stored, this BMW spent much of its life in a private collection. The R100/7 is known for its smooth boxer engine, long-distance comfort, and legendary German engineering. A custom hand-woven leather seat adds a tasteful touch while preserving the bike's vintage appeal. Clean, well-preserved examples like this continue to attract collectors who value originality and mechanical longevity. At this price point, it offers a compelling balance between collectability and usability. Number 3. 1986 Honda Rebel 450, St. Joseph, Missouri, $2,400. The 1986 Honda Rebel 450 is often overlooked, but it delivers a perfect mix of classic cruiser styling and everyday practicality. Powered by a 450cc parallel twin, it offers noticeably more performance than the smaller Rebel models while remaining approachable and easy to ride. Finished in silver, this example is described as running perfectly with no known issues, making it a true turnkey classic. Lightweight handling, proven Honda reliability, and comfortable ergonomics make it suitable for beginners or experienced riders seeking a relaxed cruiser. As clean Rebel 450s become harder to find, this one represents strong value in the entry-level classic market. Number 4. 1956 Triumph TR6 Trophy, East Dundee, Illinois, $4,550. This 1956 Triumph TR6 Trophy is a striking example of British pre-unit engineering, styled with a vintage racer and scrambler influence. Featuring upgraded Seriani front forks and Koni rear shocks, the bike offers improved handling while retaining classic character. High-mounted exhaust pipes and a Bates seat complete the period-correct look. Mechanically, it runs and shifts well, supported by a rebuilt magneto for dependable starting. The included Vermont registration simplifies ownership and title transfer nationwide. For collectors or riders seeking a classic Triumph with both visual impact and mechanical integrity, this TR6 Trophy delivers unmistakable heritage. Number 5. 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100 from Cedar Falls, Iowa, $2,200. The 1982 Kawasaki KZ1100 represents the muscle bike era at its peak, offering strong performance and unmistakable 1980s presence. With 30,000 miles, this example is described as being in very good condition, free from major cosmetic damage. The KZ1100 is known for its powerful inline-4 engine and straight-line acceleration, making it one of the fastest bikes of its time. Black paint gives it a clean, aggressive appearance that suits its performance-focused reputation. At this price, it offers an accessible entry into vintage Japanese performance motorcycles with serious road presence. Number 6. 1980 Harley-Davidson Ironhead XLH, Tulsa, Oklahoma, $3,500. This 1980 Harley-Davidson Ironhead XLH has been extensively refreshed, blending classic Harley attitude with thoughtful upgrades. Featuring an 1100cc engine with a bore kit, both top and bottom ends have been rebuilt using performance components. Enhancements include upgraded suspension and S&S Super E carburetor, modern LED lighting, and a Saddleman custom seat. Powder-coated frame and engine add durability and visual appeal. Importantly, the original parts are included, giving buyers flexibility for restoration or personalization. This Ironhead offers strong mechanical value and classic Harley character in a well-maintained package. Number 7. 1972 Suzuki GT750 Water Buffalo in Wichita, Kansas, $9,400. The 1972 Suzuki GT750, famously known as the Water Buffalo, is one of the most significant Japanese motorcycles ever produced. As a 3-cylinder, 2-stroke with liquid cooling, it broke new ground in the early 1970s. This one-owner example is presented in excellent condition, recently serviced with carburetors cleaned and new gaskets installed. With its smooth power delivery and unique exhaust note, the GT750 has become highly collectible. Clean examples continue to rise in value, making this listing especially appealing to serious collectors and enthusiasts of vintage engineering milestones. Number 8. 1984 BMW K1100 Cafe Racer, South Elgin, Illinois, $12,500. This custom-built 1984 BMW K1100 Cafe Racer is a true one-of-one machine, blending classic BMW reliability with bold, modern styling. Inspired by AMG design elements, the build features extensive custom work and unique lighting details throughout. Every component was carefully selected to create a cohesive, aggressive cafe racer aesthetic, while retaining the solid mechanical foundation BMW is known for. This bike is ideal for collectors seeking exclusivity or riders who want something visually striking and mechanically dependable. Its uniqueness sets it apart from traditional restorations or factory original examples. Number 9. 1986 Yamaha Virago 700, Marion, Indiana, $1,650. The 1986 Yamaha Virago 700 offers a comfortable and capable classic cruiser platform with strong performance. Equipped with a V-twin engine, dual front disc brakes, and twin carburetors, it delivers smooth power and confident stopping ability. This example has just under 24,000 miles and is described as starting, running, and stopping properly. Finished in blue with abundant chrome, it presents well and offers excellent comfort for longer rides. Priced attractively as a seasonal listing, it provides strong value for riders seeking a reliable vintage cruiser. Number 10. 1981 Suzuki GS450T, Chelsea, Iowa, $600. Rounding out the list is a 1981 Suzuki GS450T, a lightweight and efficient classic from Suzuki's early 1980s lineup. This bike has received recent maintenance, including new ignition coils, an oil change, and a new key cylinder. While it starts, it currently stalls when throttle is applied, suggesting a manageable tuning or carburation issue. With a clean title and low entry price, it represents a solid project opportunity. For riders or hobbyists looking for an affordable classic to bring back to full running condition, this GS450T offers an accessible starting point. That's today's list of classic motorcycles for sale across America. Subscribe to Moto Market Explorer for more real listings, real prices, and timeless machines.